in mobile also you can use uh, the new tab. Okay. Okay. So I'm getting some very few response, but 43 students are there. So what you do? You follow my instructions and participate in the activity. It will be really fun and interesting. Okay. So it is this topic is based upon the unit 2 that we covered in the last week. Uh, yeah, for this I am using a tool that is called as a Nearpod. So Nearpod, with this we conduct some collaborative activity. So definitely it is interesting, and I hope you people are engaged. And in your browser, what you do while opening the new tab, you make it a desktop site. You can you can choose desktop site. Okay, so that will be better. Means to those who are using the mobile phone. Those who are using the mobile phone, in your mobile phone, what you do while opening the new tab or after opening the new tab, you can just select the desktop site mode. Desktop site mode. I hope it is clear. Okay. So in this uh, the unit 2, so unit 2, yeah, wait, 1 minute. So in your browser you just uh, type Nearpod. In a you type as a Nearpod, Nearpod, Nearpod. So I am using this first time, so we'll check. Okay. So I hope you have opened a Nearpod. Yeah, you just type it in your browser, and for joining, use the code. Okay, you people join as a code. Okay, type it Nearpod in your Nearpod as a student. Okay, in your browser. So if you are any of you are facing the problem, you can just interrupt me in the middle. Type it Nearpod and log in as a student. Nearpod student, you select Nearpod student and use the code. Use the code that is IEGVY, and after entering the code, Okay, those who are joined late, type Nearpod in your browser, and use the code IEGVY. Okay, use the code, and if you and enter your full name. Okay, with roll number at the start. Enter the full name, and at the start, initially you add your roll number, first name, last name you write. And those who are, suppose if you are not provided, it's no problem, but still you are not provided your name. So what you do, you can just provide the name with roll number, first name, last name. So have you provided? Have you provided the names? Yeah, I can see. Yes, Aditya, Akanksha, Datta, Dhanvantri, Mayuri, Nikita, Shivani. Okay, 17 Sajal. Myself also, I am also added as a student. Just I'm checking. This is my first experience with this tool. Nimish Jain, Pooja, 20 students are they are added. So if you are facing any problem, you can just interrupt me in the middle. So those who are joined late, you just type Nearpod in the Google browser. Yes, yes, Dhanvantri, Dhanvantri Jadhav, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So what is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
What is visible in your mobile phone now?
Sir, I'm using laptop and it is showing me black box testing. The
Yes, yes. Okay,
whatever.
okay. Ah, okay. So now 22 students are joined. So I will wait for 30 seconds because you maybe some students are maybe facing some technical problem. So those who are joined with this only, we can start the activity. And others, you just uh, follow the instructions, or just you can listen. Okay. Uh, Yeah. So black box testing that we already discussed in the start of the chapter. So black box means it mainly focus on the input and output of the software system without bothering about the internal knowledge of the software program. Okay, it mainly focus on the input and output. Then white box that it is completely opposite to the black box testing. So in the white box testing, the programmer or the tester, he should have the knowledge of programming, and he should uh, analyze the code. He should have the he should know the technical concept to analyze the flow of the code in a particular module. So in white box testing, programming knowledge is required, and we are concentrating on the flow in a flow of the program code, or the flow of the data, flow of the conditions and all. Okay. And and the other types of testings are static testing, dynamic testing. Static testing, where the we do some walkthrough inspections, some static method of testing. We just review the code informally. Dynamic testing, where we execute the code. And in the black box testing, the different types of testings are unit testing, white box testing. Okay. Unit testing, integration testing, these are all white box testings. And in black box testing, equivalence class partitioning, boundary value analysis, data testing, state testing, these are all the black box testing methods. uh, So these are some static test techniques that includes. inspection, walkthrough, technical review, informal review. So this is just a image. Yeah. So in your mobile, you can see in the three-dimensionally how you can view, just to just to make attention to the students. Okay. So this with this tool we can add some 3D images and all. Or okay, this is not related to our testing. Okay. Then so how you touch to that particular object. Okay. In a three-dimensional view, you can see that image. Then yeah. Okay, now it's time to do an activity. So, shall we start? I think how many students are joined? 30 students are there now. From movies, roll number 2 to Sudha. Okay, so around 30 students are joined. So others, if you are facing any technical problem, you uh, just listen, and you can observe the how your friends they play the activity. And still, if you can access, so just type in a Google Nearpod and use the code IEGVY. Use this particular code to join the class. So we'll start. So what you do, you are getting some, choose your character. As a student, you people are getting some icons. So you people can choose. Okay. So you just click it, any one of the icon. Okay. You can hit any of the characters. You can choose anyone, and you just click on the start. Okay. You choose any of the your like any of your character. And yes, around 31 students are joined. And yeah, waiting for players, 16 are connected. You can choose any one object. Okay. And where you can see your name, you can see your name, right? 17 students are connected, 18 students. So we'll just wait for 30 seconds to connect all the students, because 31 students are there. And here you can select any one object and click on the start. Okay, around 20 students are connected, waiting for the players. So yeah, I'm starting here. So it is a game. I think you are getting some questions. So it is a the one who answer the questions, he will climb the hill. So these are all the students. Okay. So you attempt the questions. Yet time is running yet. At the you can just attempt the questions. What are the benefits of software testing? You can attempt, and you wait till the, because each questions it takes 1 minute time. Yeah, you can see your position. Okay, you can see your position. Those who are given the correct answer. Second question. You can see your position. So those who are given the correct answer, so they are at the first position. Types of software testing. So again, attempt the second. Second question. You can see your position also. And at the last, we can see who is the winner. First, second, third. Yeah. Here now you can see your position. So now for third question, 30 second time is there for this. You can see the position. Yeah, again you can see your position, where you are going, how you are climbing the hill. Now the last question. Last question, black box testing techniques. Black box testing techniques. There are two type of testings. Yeah, Akash Jain, first position. Pooja Jinkeri second, Datta third, Sohail Maniar fourth, Saqib five. Good. So yeah, the overall leaders for this game. So first is Akash Jain, second Pooja, third is Datta. Okay, and other player you can see your positions. Okay, then next. Next so next is yeah, the question is, what are the different software testing methods that we discussed in the unit 2? So what you do, you are required to type. You are required to type. Uh, you are required to type in the that particular box. Type it and submit it. You just type it, and in front of your name, we will get answers. Just participate. Type it, and what are the different type of different type of testing methods that we studied in the unit 2. Even you can edit the answer also. You can edit. Yes. Yes, Namrata has mentioned clearly white box, black box, static, dynamic, verification, validation. Good. Then Shruti, unit testing, system testing. But actually, we are not discussed in this system testing and all. That comes in the levels of testings. But mainly we discussed about the black box, white box testing. Yeah, others also just try to participate. You are required to just answer, means answer for the, yeah, 39% participation, only 39 percentage. Prasannata, Sajal, 51, Mayuri, 23 roll number, Nikita. You have to participate. You have to use such, you have to use these tools to engage with the topic that we are what we are studying in these classrooms. Okay, so with this we'll move to next activity. Then, yeah, now the interesting thing is you have to draw. You have to draw. What is the question? Draw the structure of black box testing. Draw the structure of black box testing. How it looks. You can in your screen. You can just uh, draw how this black box will look. Black box testing method. How you explain or the structure. Okay, means black box testing that mainly focus on the input and output. Just I have just tried. You can see in the screen. In the similar way, you can try it. Black box testing method. Okay, you can write also there. You can choose the color also, I think. Okay, time up, time up. Yeah, Aditya has written, Julie. Okay, some people. Yeah, Nandita, Archana, Akash, Nidhi. Hmm? Okay, I think for such type of questions still require some more time. Okay, this is the way, like uh, to draw. This is one of the activity. Okay, so next. Mm, yeah. Now, data testing. What is data testing? So here, what to do? I think share your thoughts or yeah. I think at the below you are getting maybe share your thoughts. So you have to write what is a data testing. Data testing. It is type of black box. You can share your thoughts. Data testing. So what is it? Data testing? You have to share your thoughts, uh, like input to find the bugs, database testing, or uh, you just like suppose if you are not provided the appropriate value in the text fields, the data if are not provided, then you will get an error. Okay, so in this way you have to the data. Yes, Puja. Yes, Sham. Input data. Yes, participate. Everyone participates. meet the requirement that guided its design and development. Data testing to find the bugs. Yes, others also participate. So total 32 students are participating. Yes, type of black box testing, testing input data and find the bugs, testing the given input data, finding anomalies. Yes, participate everyone. You share your thoughts. Think like, yeah, yeah. Here even you can like also here. Suppose if you are like the particular answer, you can just click in this symbol. Okay, good. Okay, so in this way you have to participate. Then yeah, one more last time for a poll. Okay, yeah. So I think you are getting question on the screen. Uh, the question is on here. You can in the monitor that static test technique includes. The question is, what are the static test technique includes? The static test technique includes. So options are you can visible in the screen. Static test techniques include. Static test technique includes. What are the static test techniques include? The options are visible on your screen. As a student, you can view the question is the static test techniques include static dynamic testing. Okay, static test includes. Yeah, so time up and the answer is yeah. So I think you can view. So actually the correct answer is all. Okay, all are like informal reviews, inspection, technical review, walkthrough. These are all the type of static testing techniques. So the correct answer is given by I think around 62.5 percentage. Okay, so the answer is all 62.5 percentage student they given the answer. Okay, so you can at the status you can see your even uh, at the what your answer whatever the answer you are provided. You need as a teacher also I can see the how many students are provided. Like the correct option is E. So like Pooja has provided. Okay, at the dot the screen you can see. Okay, then so that is about the polling and fill in the blanks. So the next activity is fill in the blanks. Yeah, what is the question? Okay, wait. You are on the as a for students. You will get you are getting a, I think in the screen. I think is it not visible clearly? You just zoom it. You just enlarge the screen. Is it visible the screen for students? Fill in the blanks. Yes, guys. Is it visible? Yes, guys.
No, sir.
Yeah. I think it is taking some time. Yeah. So uh, okay. Yeah, Datta. Datta. So is it visible, Datta? Mayuri? Yeah. Actually, that.
Yes, sir, it is visible. The options are
Uh,
under the
yeah.
near.
Bottom, no? At the bottom it is.
Yes, sir, at the bottom the answers are there. We have to pick up and put it over the filling the
Okay.
to
Good.
unfill the blanks.
Yes. Okay. Oh, yeah. Means you have to, yes, those who are using the mobile phone, no, just you can select the particular box at the bottom and you can put it in the, so it is the filling the blank. So under dynamic testing, okay, under dynamic, under the blank is there, no, in the blank you can write dynamic, okay. So I think it is from mistake from my side. The question is not properly set there. Okay. So the correct answer is actually under dynamic testing. Here actually dynamic should be there. Under dynamic testing, a code is executed. Then yeah. Then last, I think last activity. This is pairs. You have to form the pairs. I think for the students, you are getting some um, like boxes. So you have to find the correct pair. For example, clear box testing and white box testing. The one more name of, just you have to select white box testing and clear box testing. That is a the proper pair. Am I getting the question? Yes, all of you are getting the question. No, the here you have to select the pairs. Okay. So white box testing and clear box testing both are the same, the pair, the correct pair. So in this way, you have to select the pairs. Levels of testing, unit testing and integration testing. As a student, you can just to select the two. So automatically it will, if it is correct, it will mark check marks. If it is wrong, you will get a cross mark. Yeah, you have to select the two, two correct pairs. So Dhanvantri Jadhav has used the correct answer, but he tried 19 times. 19 tries. Akanksha 15 tries. Prasannata 1. Datta 1. Datta 12. Okay, so that is match of the pair. Okay, so yeah, this is your score. Yeah, you can view the pairs. You can view this is one pair in the screen. Those who are using the laptop, they can see. Okay. Yeah, I think this is the last activity. Okay. Mhm. Reports. So just I want to hear from you. So have you participated? So can anyone give the feedback how you are liked this activity? Yeah, this is the your report card. So those who are practiced, those who are attempted, your record. Okay, lesson, software testing method. So teacher name and all. Yeah, roll number like two. Muiz. I think he has not participated. Then Aditya. Aditya has participated in the poll, drawing, and that game activity. Yeah, this is the how even Datta, Ame. So this is your report card, uh, and in the time to climb, open-ended questions where the answers you are responded. Okay, the drawing. It is interesting. Like this tool definitely to engage the students. Uh, Static testing method. Just it was a demo. Actually, I am also used this tool for first time to add the activity and all. So this is matching the pairs. Yeah. Okay. About this is so. Can anyone share how you liked this activity? Did you feel bored with this 30 minutes? I think 30 minutes you spent on this Nearpod. Any problems you have faced? Pooja Jinkiri. No, sir means what? Not interested. Yes, Riyam Jain. It was a great experience. Quite interesting. Yeah, quite interesting means actually this engages the students. Like you won't feel bored, and it will be two-way interactive. Like because in the digital platform, what happens? Only the faculty they just